I don't know that I really showed the campground real good here. So there's a couple campers way down there, but this is, check out these sites. These are, this is Shepherd's Point Campground, Corp Engineers, outside of Tulsa, Oklahoma. And check out these, so they got retaining wall blocks around all these, but not maintained in forever. It's just kind of a poor design, really. All the water runs down this. Look who's over there, coming for a walk. Check this out. And it must be a horse riding area because they got horse pens down there. And look at this washout here. And this is Hayburn Lake right there. I don't know if you can get down there or not. It's called Hayburn Lake. That was a cobweb in my mouth. I wonder if you can walk down here. There might be a path somewhere. No? Maybe not. Doesn't look like it. Nope. No path. There's these huge rocks everywhere. This is crazy. Look at these rocks. Anyway. I'm not walking all the way down there, but there's the lake. Out there somewhere. Tons of cobwebs, man. Oh, man. Okay, we're going to pack up here. Head out towards Amarillo, Texas. A few stops on Route 66 along the way. Gotta finish packing this thing up. And we'll be out of here. Alright, 9:37. On our way to Amarillo, Texas.
Am I supposed to smell them? No, you're supposed to just look. That's like your nose.
What are you smelling her shoe for?
No, it's just a whole bunch of sand.
Okay, let's just put it on the floor then.
Do I just...
Yeah, you can open it up and dump it out. Or do that.
Don't drop the shoe.
Did you dump it in the truck or out of the truck?
I dumped it here. She dumped it on the truck.
Alright, ready, set, let's go.
Ready, Freddy, goey, goey. No, I'm sleeping. Okay! You just said okay. And it sneezed.
We stayed in the equestrian camping. Didn't even know it.
Yep. The what?
The horses. We stayed with the horses, which there was no horses. Oklahoma Route 66 Museum.
I try not to pull any punches about Route 66. Again, for being an admitted romantic, and I still hope I am, and I think I am in some ways, I still like to...
Oh, I like this thing. Daddy, can we have it? It's so much better than the truck.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Riding on these wheels right here with no suspension. You remember the movie?
I would love I love bouncing.
I know, what movie is that?
Like that.
What movie is Oh Brother Out Thou? When he stole that car and they're bouncing down the road? Yeah. That's what this thing is. Sir, you're losing some of your folding money.
Friend, some of your folding money has come unstowed.
Alright, the girls thought it'd be a good idea to stick them to their foreheads when we went to the museum, so here, rip it off.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, go. How'd that feel?
It didn't hurt.
Oh.
Well,
Oh, not bad at all.
mine did. My forehead's red.
I thought you said it didn't hurt.
My forehead's red.
It is red.
I yanked my like skirt.
He's got himself a sucker.
I got sucker.
It's his sucker.
Sucker.
He's not moving either.
If I do.
Your gas station's up here.
Your sucker.
Pry it out of his mouth.
It's gonna be on the left.
Here. See the t-shirt. Audrey. Look. I did get it.
Oh, you got it.
There's a lot of drawers.
Just put it in the bag.
I don't think I'm eating this. And I don't think I have a hand anymore.
He's an angry puppy.
I think I'm tired.
I think you guys picked on him too much.
Okay.
Big Texan Ranch, Amarillo, Texas. Come on, Bexy.
Come on, Mills.
You following him?
Up here, scared.
Big.
She said the ride to the Texan, if we want to ride, is the top of every hour, feet out at the porch.
Out there?
Out in front of the building there.
It goes every hour on the hour? Like how late at night? I wonder.
Until they close, probably.
Go in there.
Not much of a space outside, but
That was a funny
that's the bird.
funny sounding thing, huh?
He's chirping.
How's your bouncy pad?
Watch this go.
How good is your roll there?
Delicious.
Alright, so the meal comes in a hat, and then you can take it out of the hat. There you go, and then you can wear the hat.
Wait, do we get to keep this thing?
Yeah, it's yours. And that is an 8-ounce steak. Little tiny little steak. It does look good, really
What is
good.
this? Can I try it? Oh my
Yeah,
god,
you
Daddy,
can.
that's
You can have that. Actually, you eat it, and I want to see it.
It's not something that you just dive right into.
Bite the end off of it. Do it. Just a little small bite. Are they that hot?
I want to see how hot it is.
I would just taste it a little bit. You can spit it out. You got milk. Bite it.
Yeah, I taste it. It's good?
And
It's spicy. Oh, you take a bite. You take a bite if you think it's not that spicy.
it's not bad.
It's like a sweet pepper.
See? Can't be that hot.
Dude, this is you don't right into that.
Not sure how big a 72-inch steak is, but this 8-ounce steak is perfect size and perfectly cooked. Oh man, it's good. So good. The Big Texan Steak House. Well, that's his gift shop, but we just had steaks. Oh, it was good. 8-ounce steak. You get a free steak if you eat a 72-ounce steak, but I couldn't imagine eating 9 times what I just ate. That'd be way too much. There's the Big Texan symbol right there. Good place to visit. Amarillo, Texas. You want to see the guy in here? Check him. Like the kind of